Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Listen, whenever a decision is taken, you will be told about the decision. As I've said, our present effort is to get the party battle ready in all the 40 constituencies, and we are going about it in a systematic manner.
Has the discussion begun?
Well, whenever a discussion begins or a discussion ends, you will be told about it.
There's a deadlock, sir, because of TMC coming in.
Listen, I do not want to comment on other political parties. I can only speak for the Congress party, okay?
But is it more challengeable because TMC center is not coming with...
You are free to draw your own conclusion. As far as I'm concerned, the Congress party is the pivot of the non-BJP opposition, and the Congress party will contest this election with the absolute confidence that we will win the election.
Independently, right, sir?
We will win the election. How we will win the election, you will know later.
हे फावटी जर आनी 5 वर्सां बीजेपीच्या हातान गोंय जर गेलें, आज कितें गेलां हें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, पूण लोक उलयनात. कित्याक प्रत्येकाचे खंय ना खंय लागेबंदे आसतात, कोणाक नोकरीची गरज आसता, भंय आसता, मागीर सारको मनीस बरोवंक भिता. तुमी जाणात हांव कितले कॉलम बरयतालो, म्हाका धमकी येवपाक लागली रिमांड कडेन, म्हाका कॉलम बंद करचे पडले. कित्या खातीर म्हजी अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्य घुसमट्टा. तरी पूण हांव घरा बसून रावंक शकना. आज हांवें निर्णय घेतला, हांव दर दिसा कमीत कमी 3-4 वरां पक्षाक दितलो.
आतां ह्या हेजेर कितें जातलें, ह्या हेजेर जे गोंयांत पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन जे BBS हें करतात, मेडिकल हेका पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशनाक एडमिशन करतात, तांकां गोंयच्यान जे भायले येतले फॉर SC, ST and OBC, they will be entitled. But our own students from SC, ST and OBC, they will be deprived of their constitutional right. And this is a deliberate attempt by BJP's government आणि घालप ते नंतर कोर्टाचेर की कोर्टान हें केलें म्हणून. आनी हेजे खातीर तो सगळो हें गोंयचे जो अधिकार आशिल्लो स्टुडंट्साचो तो विड्रॉ जाता. ह्या हेजेर आमी सरकाराचे ह्या हेजेर आमी खंडन करतात, हेजो निशेध करतात. आनी एंटी बहुजन पॉलिसी कंप्लिटली हायकोर्टाच्या ऑर्डरीन एक्सपोज जाल्ली आसा.